In this video, my buddy Scott from Centerline Supply is doing a product demonstration about the Trantex 360QM thermoplastic applicator, how a 360 has an advanced bead system application, the operator-controlled capabilities, and if you stick around until the end of this video, Scott's going to show us how to use a 360 thermo unit when striping a line. But before we get into that, if you guys are interested in learning more about striping, pricing breakdowns, how to get customers, marketing packs, legal packs, and much, much more, be sure to check out the How to Stripe course. It will be the first link in the pinned comment section and the description. All right, let's go.
All right, I'm Scott. I'm with Centerline Supply. We're based out of Dallas, Texas. We're up here in Oklahoma City at our grand opening, and I'm going to go over the Trantex 360 QM thermoplastic applicator with you guys. So basically, thermoplastic consists of a plastic material with 30% beads. You still want to top coat your thermoplastic with beads for retroreflectivity at night. This is our bead tank. We add regular beads, traffic beads in there. They come down this tube, they go into this beater. This beater is capable of putting between a 4-inch and a 12-inch line by simply adjusting these wing nuts to adjust the pressure onto the rod that's spinning inside. Our bead system runs off a chain drive, so I can control exactly when I start and stop my beads simply by moving this lever. If you look at this right here, when I move now, that doesn't spin, no beads come out. When I engage my beads, that spins, beads come out. I get to the end of my line, I turn it off. I control my beads. The beads don't control me. Okay? The next handle we have is for our gate valve. This is going to allow the material to come out of the 360-pound tank and into my all-steel die. My all-steel die is constructed as a push-pull system, so there's no springs that are going to warp with the heat. I'm going to open it when we get to that point by pushing straight down. Material is going to come out at 90 mils. I can adjust that by just adjusting a couple of runners on the bottom. I can get up to about 120 mils and do that. We also came up with this innovative pointer. Any striper knows that when you have a pointer system and it's out in front of you and you're coming up to a wheel stop or you're coming up to a curb, you got to be like, hey Jimbo, get that pointer out of the way, you know? So what we did with simple geometry is we came up with the way an operator could control it. So as I'm putting a line down, if I'm coming up to a curb, I can get it right out of the way and I can go all the way to the end of my line. It's perfect. I'm not going to put beads down on this line because beads and concrete become very slippery, and then we're all going to be on our backsides, and I kind of want to go home and see my wife and kids tonight.
Real quick, this video is sponsored by IQ, and right now we're doing a $500 stencil kit giveaway with same-day stencils. So all you have to do to register for this giveaway is sign up with my link for a premium, platinum, or ultimate subscription of IQ. And right now it's only $1 for the first month, and a winner will be announced on June 1st when the competition ends. Let's get back to the video.
So I'm going to take my die out of my holder. I'm going to set my die on the ground. I'm going to open up my gate valve. Material is going to come out, it's going to fall into my die. I'm going to close it off. I'm a little neurotic, so I like to keep it clean. So now the way I'm going to put this line down is I'm going to use my body to push the machine. I'm going to open this die when I start moving. If I open the die and I'm not moving, I'm going to get puddles, right? Kind of just like painting. If you hit with a sprayer and you're not walking or you stop with the gun open, you're going to puddle. Same thing with thermoplastic. When I get to the end, I'm going to close my die and I'm going to rock back about 2 inches. So any like little residual drops will fall onto my line and I'll get that nice clean edge. All right? You ready? I've never done this before. So now I'm coming to the end. I'm going to close it. I'm going to come back a couple inches. I'm going to let the drips fall on my line. And I'm done. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Contact Centerline if you have any questions on any Trantex equipment. Thanks now.